Hi, sweeties. My grandbaby is getting to that curious exploring age, so I got Safety for Your Kids magnetic lock set. This is a great set. There's no screws or drill required. That means no scuffs or unnecessary holes. It's really easy to install. Super easy. It comes with 10 locks, 2 keys, indicating flower stickers, extra strong adhesive stickers, and they added 2 bonus gifts with every set. It comes with corner guards, outlet covers. The set is affordable and definitely makes for a great gift. Gives parents and grandparents the added peace of mind. Thanks for watching, sweeties. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a like. Bye.